In this video, I will show you how to make your Instagram account private. Now make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important steps. But the first thing you want to do is you want to open the Instagram app, and once you're on the app, you want to click on the bottom right hand corner where it says your profile picture. Once you've clicked on this, you click on the three lines at the top right, and you scroll down, or not scroll down, you click on where it says settings and privacy. And then you scroll down to account privacy, which is right there. It's on the page. And all you have to do is toggle on this switch that says private account. And what this does is it actually makes your account private. Toggle that on and it switches to your profile. Only followers will be able to see your videos and photos if you accept them. So once you've toggled that on, you go back to your home menu, and now you can either remove your followers if you did not want certain people to follow you. Like this, just click on remove, go to your followers list, and now you actually have to accept people's follow requests if they want to follow you. And by doing that, you go to home and notifications, and they will just pop up here. But if you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and leave your comments down below.